Which of the following ketones cannot be prepared by pyrolysis of suitable calcium salt of fatty acids? So, dry distillation of calcium salt of fatty acids can be used for the preparation of symmetric ketones but not unsymmetric ketones. What are unsymmetric ketones? Having different number of carbon atoms on either side of CO group. Having different number of carbon atoms on either side of CO group. Now let us write butanone. First option A is butanone. Butanone is CH3CO CH2 CH3. On two carbon atoms on one side and one carbon atom on the other side. Unsymmetric ketone. Then pentane threone. What is pentane threone? CH3 CH2 CO CH2 CH3. Pentane threone. This is symmetric ketone because two carbon atoms on either side of CO group. Now option C, benzophenone. What is benzophenone? C6H5 CO C6H5. 6 carbon atoms on either side of CO group. So this is also symmetric ketone. Last option, propanone. Propanone is CH3CO CH3 group. So, dry distillation of calcium salt of carboxylic acids or pyrolysis of calcium salt of carboxylic acids will give ketones. But this is not a suitable method for the preparation of unsymmetric ketones because you will get a mixture of 3 ketones there. So, which is unsymmetric ketones? Unsymmetric ketone among the following, the first option, because it is having different number of carbon atoms on either side of CO group. So dry distillation of calcium salts cannot be used for the preparation of unsymmetric ketones. What is the reason? You will get a mixture of 3 ketones there. So yield will be less. So what is your answer?